Hi, I'm Dan with Pacific Sky Power, and this is the DC Project Motor Generator. This motor has been specialized for efficient power production while charging a 12-volt battery. Before I forget, this can be found on Amazon for around $14, and you can find the link in the description below. A good first test with this motor is to measure the voltage, and we can do that with a multimeter. Make sure that when you turn the multimeter on, you set it to DC volts. So for this multimeter, I'm going to set it to volts right here and push select, which switches it to DC volts. If I had it here, it would be measuring AC volts, and that would not work. So make sure you select DC volts on the multimeter, and then we're going to hook up. An easy way to do this is to use a cordless drill. We're going to hook this up to the motor axle, tighten the chuck down on the motor axle. Next, we will connect the DC motor to the multimeter using these small clamps, which are handy. And to measure voltage, we just squeeze the trigger on the cordless drill and watch the different voltage at different RPM. So the higher the RPM, the higher the volts. So we're getting a little over 13 volts. For the next test, we're going to light an LED light diode by turning on the drill, powering up the motor, and producing electricity. Now, before we take the LED light diode off the motor, let's try making a wind turbine. I'm using a 15-inch replacement prop for a Pacific Sky Power small wind generator, and this prop is available on Amazon as well. I'll leave the link to that in the description below. So you take the propeller and slip it on the motor axle. Then use a 2mm hex key to tighten the set screws. Tighten it till you feel the motor axle, then give it a little more torque. Do the same to the other side. Give the propeller a spin. Sometimes they're a little off balance, so you can adjust that by applying a small amount of pressure either way, but that looks pretty good. Now let's turn the fan on and see if we can light this LED light. So when you hold the prop up in front of the fan, you want to hold it square to the wind. Let's give this a spin. And yes, we are seeing a small amount of light. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share where you can. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.